Devi Ahilyabai Holkar Airport, Indore, the busiest airport in Madhya Pradesh, and we are here to watch some awesome plane landings at this airport. An aerial view of this airport. This got a single runway, 9,000 feet, 0725, running northeast southwest. Single terminal, recently cleared for international operations. It is Cat 1 ILS, equipped with night landing. There is no parallel taxiway, so the aircrafts have to, when they land, have to come all the way up and down on the runway. This is the apron and the terminal building. We move to have a look at the southwest end of the 0725 runway. And here is a Jet Airways landing from the northeast end near the terminal, so it has to go all the way down the 9,000 feet runway and then make a full circle U-turn and then come back on the runway onto the terminal, which is at the far end of the northeast end of the runway. Now it's making the turn now at the southwest end and go back all the way to the terminal at the northeast end. So essentially this limits the number of landings and takeoffs that can take place because the runway is used for a substantial time after the landing or takeoff, except when the aircrafts land from the southwest end, which is the most desirable one. In that case, it will come to the northeast straight and then park, saving a lot of time. So that would depend upon the wind direction, but most of the time in this video we are capturing the landings from the southwest end. Here is the first one coming in from landing from southwest end. It's a Airbus A320 Indigo. Beautiful touchdown. So it is landed in the southwest end, so it will go straight onto the terminal. Now we have turboprop ATR service coming in for landing. There are many ATRs that you can see. This is the Jet Airways one, Jodhpur Indore ATR 72-500. You can see many ATRs. Being a smaller airport, you see a lot of ATR services to nearby places in Rajasthan like Jodhpur, Jaipur, Gwalior and other cities. And you have the jet services to the metros, Bangalore, Kolkata, Mumbai, New Delhi. And another jet landing coming in, this time Jet Airways Pune Indore service VT AFF. Again a lovely touchdown. And another ATR service, this time the subsidiary of Air India, Alliance Air, coming in for landing, the Gwalior service. One more ATR. Jet Airways again. Nice approach. This time from Baroda. Jet Airways Goa Indore Indigo service. I'm sorry, Goa Indore service. Airbus A320. And another ATR, Gwalior Mumbai Alliance Air. And from the premier IT city, Bangalore Indore Boeing 737 service, Jet Airways. Coming to the end of this compilation, thank you very much. I hope you liked the selection. This is an Doriner service, Indian National Airport Authorities. Thanks for watching and see you soon again. Have a good day.